dears, welcome back. What we learned in the previous class? Yes, correct. In the last class, we learned about aerial remote sensing. Today, we will study about satellite remote sensing. What is satellite remote sensing? Yes, the process of collecting information using sensors fixed on artificial satellites is called satellite remote sensing. The artificial satellites are mainly divided into two types. They are geostationary satellites and sun synchronous satellite. Let's learn about them in detail. First one, geostationary satellites. These are the satellites that move in equal velocity with the Earth's rotation. The features of these satellites are: first one, they orbit the Earth at an elevation of about 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. Next feature is one third of the Earth comes under its field of view. Next one, as the movement of these satellites corresponds to the speed of rotation of the Earth, it stays constantly above a specific place on the Earth. This helps in continuous data collection of an area. Next one, it is used in telecommunication and for weather studies. Last one, India's INSAT satellites are examples of geostationary satellites. Let's see about sun synchronous satellite. Sun synchronous satellites are the artificial satellites that passes around the Earth along the poles. The features of these satellites are: first one, the orbit of these satellites is about 900 km in altitude. Second one, the surveillance area is less than that of the geostationary satellites. Third one, the repetitive collection of information of a region at regular interval is possible. Fourth one, used for the collection of data on natural resources, land use, groundwater, etc. Fifth one, these satellites are mainly used for remote sensing purposes. Satellites in IRS, Landsat series are examples of sun synchronous satellites. Let's see how the information about the Earth's surface is collected with the help of sensors. Sensors record the electromagnetic radiation either reflected or emitted by the objects. Each object on the surface of the Earth reflects electromagnetic radiation in different measures. The amount of reflected energy by each object is called the spectral signature of that object. The sensors on artificial satellites distinguish objects on the Earth's surface based on their spectral signature and transmit the information in digital format to the terrestrial stations. This is interpreted with the help of computers and converted into the picture format. These are called satellite imageries. The size of the smallest object on the Earth's surface that a satellite sensor can distinguish is called the spatial resolution of the sensor. Let's see the uses of remote sensing technology. First one, for the assessment of weather and its observations. Second one, for ocean explorations. Third one, to understand the land use of an area. Fourth one, for the monitoring of flood and drought. Fifth one, for identifying forest fires in deep forest and to adopt controlling measures. 6.1. To collect data regarding the extent of crops and spread of pest attack. 7th one, for oil explorations. And last one, to locate groundwater potential places. You have understood that a large amount of information about the earth is received through remote sensing technology. Let's conclude the class. Today we learned about satellite remote sensing and the classification of artificial satellites like geostationary satellites and sun synchronous satellites. Along with it, we learned about how the information about the Earth's surface is collected with the help of sensors and the uses of satellite remote sensing. Hope you all understood the topic. Meet in the next class with the continuation of the chapter. Thank you.